So this is a demo of Zingtree in Salesforce. So something to note here is that Zingtree is available in the AppExchange, which means that it is a component in Salesforce and can be placed anywhere in the page layout. We chose to put it as a tab here on the left-hand side, but again, it could have been put anywhere on the page layout. So notice a couple of things here. Web email, supplied email is empty, so is type. Okay, in Zingtree, what you can do is you can pass data from the record into the workflow to create some logic and some pathing. You can also take data that you collect in Zingtree to update the record without having to go back and forth. So in Zingtree, I go to that tab now. This is a case where we're basically asking for information about a specific battery to be able to troubleshoot it, right? So let's ask for the serial number, name, and email information. I'm going to fill it in here. Now, of course, we could have had that information up front and then automatically pre-populate the Zingtree with that information. For the purposes of this demo, I'm just filling it in over here. Click on next. At that point, what I'm doing is I've updated already the details in Salesforce with some of that information. I also made an API call to a third-party system to retrieve information about that battery. And it looks like we found the serial number and then more information, more details about that particular battery. If this is information correct, we can go on to the troubleshooting. Now, something to note here, I will go back to the details and you'll notice that web email has been updated, supply name has been updated with the information that I put into the workflow. Type has also been updated. Of course, these are the three that we chose to map to, but the truth is that we could have mapped to any of these fields in Salesforce. Again, it's a two-way integration. So going back to Zingtree, we can keep on going with the flow, click on next. We can go through some troubleshooting, right? Again, we can apply some super complex logic to drive to the right outcome. In this case, we're just gonna ask a couple of simple questions. Did it solve the issue? I'm gonna say no. Again, no, it didn't. Let's say it did not. And at some point, I'm gonna say, yes, it solved the issue. Okay, so at that point, we also use another component in Zingtree, which is our AI actions node component, in which we send information about this particular session to create essentially call notes, right? Now you have full control over what you want the notes to say, how long they are, what's included in them with our AI actions controls. And again, that information can then be sent back into Salesforce. So there you have it at a glance, our integration with the AppExchange.